Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack lezi indaba lezi zama top officials zase Transnet. Actually, the ex-employees, those people, they haven't even worked for Transnet for years, but their case was ongoing. Yeah, so it's gonna continue again. Case yabo futhi in court. Basa busy naye. I'm just like, oh, Kopololo guys, in the long run uzobanjwa. Zamathenda or locomotive. Into zamathenda. We understand guys? Uyezwa kodwa. Abalisinto zamathenda guys zini? Ungathi mayibuka from far uthi babhudulwana ubhudu amathenda. Yey! Ubuqhophololo lapho. You will never believe it ukuthi lo muntu uthole kanjani lo tender. Fanele akhiphe utshotsho kuqala futhi athole lo tender. Fanele akhiphe imali ethizeni. Crazy things. They did lo buqhophololo between a period of 2011 to 2014. Angithi sukuyitshela ukuthi ngeke uzobanjwa. Uvela ubanjwa. Years later uthi what? Suyidlile imali. So all of them got a bail of 50,000 each. I'm just like, wow. Guys, ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo manje South Africa, there's a lot of division around members, it's a subs, right? And you think that's all. SADF has their own problems. Just this case that happened about 2 weeks ago where one a member SANDF was bulala yena after bulale the members. Actually just one member yabagwaza, and I was thinking mhlambe he actually shot them. No, wabagwaza. I'm just like, guys, kwenzakalani? You know, to this day we haven't heard the story ukuthi what was the story, kwasukela kwaqashwa emsebenzini or what happened. So what I'm trying to tell you is that uzobona ngathi subs they have problems. No, actually akubona kuphela. This is why mhlambe one of the YouTubers iyayibeka ngokuthi umkhokha usho nala SANDF na baneyinkinga zabo eziningi. And lo case ivela phelele emoyeni, I think you know why also. They investigating it inside because I need one of the, in fact, the person who actually started this whole thing naye was bulala. One member ayikwazile kwaza two phela, one actually passed on, one usesibhedlela sikakezona ukuthi ukanjani bayifihla manje ingaphansi kwacarpet. I'm just like, why ningasitshela ukuthi babelwelani these three people, but end up with this one deleting one, and then akwazi lo munye usaphila kodwa lo munye didn't really pass on, is still in hospital. I'm like, kusesenjalo bese kuba khona lesi sisha ke futhi asikho sisha, actually it's a story that has been ongoing, but into engiyipick up nge-SANDF iy'tori zabe yiningi bayifaka under the carpet. This one is about Lieutenant General Matipe. He was investigating some case about 2 Ethiopian nationals, right? But sesebebona ukuthi ngeke lo ungasuzifaka enkingeni. 12 SANDF employees were arrested. In fact, abanye babo they went to the police, but many European vele involved on those 2 Ethiopian nationals disappearing, right? So Lieutenant General Matipe was investigating ukuthi laba bawu-2 bahamba kanjani bese mall, kanti there were other from the 12 SANDF employees that abducted lama foreign nationals wase-Ethiopia ngathi bawabulala. So he was investigating it. Now they assassinated him. I'm just like, hey, kuningi ungacabanga ukuthi sesabsi kuphela, kuningi. And there's a call yokuthi yabona these senior crime intelligence people, the ones that I did a video ngabo, 2 videos actually before this video. Kuthiwa nje labo bantu kufanele ngabe bahlala ejele. So that there's a lesson around ukuthi you don't just do stuff and then when uthola amapeli and walk around with us again, the same community, that's not learning from you. But you know, and at this point there was another call yokuthi they can't be on duty, those people as it is now, asazi noma basemsebenzini na abakwazi ukusebenza labo bantu. Also on their bail hearing we were told ukuthi this crime intelligence top officials top dirty cops actually shouldn't be at work, and they shouldn't come to the offices zabo where they used to work. So at this point, there's a story going around ukuthi they don't know if they are at work, and it's not allowed ukuthi babe semsebenzini those people abekho right. You understand? So they're still trying to figure out ukuthi are they at work or are they suspended now? Asazi uyabona ukuthi akukho fair. Abantu abenza izinto ezikanje, they can't be in our communities. What are we learning from that? Yo guys, indaba manje seziyaphuma. Yabona for example this brigadier lo ovele nje about brigadier overnight sisters lo, she came from a background car manufacturing. Like you can't even compare her to brigadier Atlanta Mate. Well, Atlanta apparently before she became a brigadier, she's from a journalism background, but she went through an extensive training before she became a brigadier, and she's a spokesperson. Normally, you've seen her. She's doing the most amazing job there. She knows her work. When uvele nje at 29 ube brigadier, asikaze sikubona your trainer kodwa hama siqala emaphoyiseni, we just like, what's going on? So there's a call for action for these police officers cause also they're in crime intelligence. Why would you be appointed for such positions? Okay, guys, ababosho. Nale phela ngazi bayisathapi at 10,000. Wonke umuntu is just like they can't be at work. Abasuspended those people. And then you are appointed to a very technical senior position without any training. People are like, well, people are complaining. There's a lot of complaints. Just someone was just saying on TV, it was on Sunday Times. I never saw it on Sunday Times. Man, give on a good TV this thing. It's just like I'm running with this story. Finally, abantu bafundisa ukuthi izinto awuyitholi nje. Yathi nasama basithola izinto kanzima kanjani. Hey, we don't understand shem. Na uthola umsebenzi for a reward yababa wakho who actually took a docket wayilahla. Njengoba ubona la kosenzo meyo wayilahla idocket yakhona, so it was actually a reward for your father ukuthi wena ube brigadier. Ngeke guys. Those are crazy things. Uwafunda wena in such a sensitive unit. Crime intelligence phela guys, those are big things. And nabo abantu bakhona bantshontsha imali benzani, benza ama CFO. Cabanga CFO yena kuphela osalile ejele. And yena bekhipha imali mina bambani. I'm just like even HR yakhona bekufanele boshwe bonke abantu actually abacushiswe lo sisters lo ukuthi abayi brigadier. No vetting, nothing. When you vele nje uthola umsebenzi nje, a job that you don't deserve. But we've seen it nathi over the years emisebenzini yethu sithi what wena uthola umsebenzi thina emsebenzini wami there was a case usisters wayeyicleaner. She couldn't even speak English at some stage. Wa end up say what is she doing? Wa end up a reception emva kwaloko wa end up say but akafunda akenzi next. Uyabona ukuthi umuntu ecushiswe, and then instead you know what she did? Wa end up esenenhliziyo embi emsebenzini esexoshisa abantu. I was just like, what? Nani? Nandithi nenzani? It didn't end well. Those things don't end well. Uyabona manje ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani kwi crime intelligence. Nangu sisters uyi brigadier from a car manufacturing experience. Usuyi brigadier wena nje namhlanje kusasekuseni usuyi brigadier. Guys, ngeke. Sikhona ezinye izinto nasifanele sizibuke ezabantu abamnyama, we just like senzani. No guys, wrong. Ngisho manje ka sisters, mina I'm not saying ngabe into yakhe nokuthi ngakazi ukukhuluma isingisi kwawo kanjani. Mina my thing is that ngabe naye wacela ukuthi hayi ngicela ningifundise ningise ku training, ningise ku training, ningifundise how to handle myself even emsebenzini. Ngoba sisters wa end up eseqoshisa abantu emsebenzini. Zibuza ukuthi la wa end up happy. Ask yourself. Ngoba you start to do stuff there at work ezingekho right, and then uqoshisa abantu emsebenzini who actually went to training for the positions that day network. Wena ufike ube yini, angithi wena vele wafika ngeboss mhlambe na somebody else bakucushisa ufike wena, and then now you want to take over. It does not work like that. Take over people who actually went to school for this. ngime lapho guys because yabo amanqampunqampu ey'kandali that are happening in South Africa right now is just crazy, you know. So I just wanted to give you nje a glimpse yokuthi hayi ukuthi i-SAPS kuphele inobuqhophololo. SANDF is just ezase-SANDF indaba ngizibonile but uthanda ukuyifaka ngaphansi kwa-carpet. Kuningi e-SANDF that's going on actually. Thank you so much guys for always supporting this channel. Nginthanda over. Just wanted to add ngosisters lo akoMokwele usisi lo iBrigadier overnight ukuthi enye into futhi bebekhuluma ngayo kakhulu ngaye besides ukuthi she never went to training yase subs. Umuntu lo bathakaza sasiphathe nesibhamu empilweni yakhe and it's the first thing. The following day usugqoka uniform to present nesibhamu. Just think about it guys, the stuff that's going on there. Isn't that crazy?